another video. It's windy outside. It is really windy outside, so the door keeps on slamming open and shut, but I want the door open today. I want a bit of fresh air in here. Today's job is the Ducati, and you last saw the Ducati, I'm trying to think now, of course you saw the cam belt covers last week, but the last time we saw the body itself, I'm trying to remember now, last time we saw it was we had the whole body laid out, the fairing, the headlight fairing and everything all laid out perfectly. We even had that, there goes the door banging shut, we even had the device, the separator, the splitting device, whatever you want to call it, some perspex device to create the split mold. Today's job is to actually create that split mold. Gel coat first, well, quite a few layers of wax. I can't remember if I put, doors shut again. I can't remember if I showed the mold release wax in the previous video, but anyway, if not, mold release wax needs to be put on regardless of whether I showed it or not. Then a couple of layers of gel coat. Then we go into the fiberglass. This time around I am doing it a little bit different to what I did last time. Last time I used, I think it was possibly 450 gram chopped mat straight on. I'm not doing that this time. I am going for 100 gram first, chopped strand first, and then that's kind of to build it up and to get into all the nooks and crannies, and then we build it up. But this time I'm using 350 chopped strand because I found the 450 a little bit too rigid last time and seriously soaked up a lot of resin. The other thing I'm not doing today, or the other thing I'm going to do different to what I'm kind of telling everyone else to do, I'm not actually using the molding lamina, the molding resin, or a coupling coat. I'm going straight into the laminating resin. Reason being is because I've got so much of this stuff lying around still. I want to use it up. Laminating resin isn't the most perfect thing, but it does create a mold. And yeah, I've just got so much of the stuff that I need to use up, so that is what we are using today. So that is it for today. Let's jump straight into it. It's about 10 o'clock tonight, 10:15, near enough. I'm actually really excited. Let me lean up against this wall because I'm fairly tired. I'm actually really excited to be in here. I know working late doesn't sound best, but I'm in my element when I'm in here. Fiberglass, more to the point, the split mold. It's 10 degrees now. I could chance it, but chances are temperature's gonna drop. Temperature's going to drop tonight. If it drops under 10 where it doesn't cure, then I'm kind of more stuck than I would be if I just wait until tomorrow. It will still be tacky tomorrow because that's what gel coat's like. This is that half of the split mold done, cleverly held up by pots of paint. Also, I just love the mongrel. You know, if I could have it mounted on something like that, which it probably will be, it won't be used, and I probably will have it mounted on a plinth eventually, but I just love looking at that. It's just coming together a lot better than what I ever imagined it would be. So yeah, I'm just proud of that at the moment. here it is, all cut. Nearly. A couple of tiny bits, so I've got the end of that just to trim off, that's fine. The bottom's pretty much trimmed to the right line. The front just needs doing there, but that is all cut. What I need to do now is find that centre line that goes down the two. Hopefully that should have been waxed really well, and I can just split it from there. Here's the final thing. Here is the final mould itself. So, split mould, straight down the middle. It was, I admit, a bit tough to part this because there were bits where release wax wasn't doing its most perfect job, but it's there. Drill holes all the way around, neatly cut, and this is it. One piece, and the other piece. Lift these two out now. Put it on the side there, and lift this off as well. Get rid of this. Put these pieces back on here. I really do need to clean the surface. But the inside of the mould, there it is. What I am going to do is just polish it a little bit more on the inside, just so that it's super smooth. But that is it, rigid enough for the carbon fibre. Now we just need to wait for warmer weather. Where are we today? We need to get to 15 degrees, which I can do it with a fan. Let's wait until next week. And just to show how this slots together now. There we have it. Fits ever so snug. Screw those two together. Job done. Carbon fibre, here we come. And there it is. The mould. Well, one part of it, at least. This is one part. I don't know which side I'm showing. It's upside down, actually. This is one side of it. So you can see the outside. You can see this recess here, the knee down. This is like the inverse pattern of it. Exciting. So that means that I've got everything I need now to do my carbon fibre. I just need a little bit of warm weather. Or warmer weather. I mean, it can get into like the 11 degrees range, and then we can bump up the rest of the heat to 15 degrees that I need in the workshop here. It is, the resin I'm going to be using for the fiberglass is EL2 slow acting resin, which I think takes about 12 hours to set, rather than the fast resin which sets in about 10-12 minutes, because I can't do everything in those 10-12 minutes. We will be using a vacuum packing method and everything on it, not a resin infusion, just laying it all out and then just vacuum bagging it all. So that is in a video to come in the next couple of weeks. Next week's video I think will be the mongrel and sorting out the rear wheel on that, or the rear swing arm. But that is all from me. If you like what you see, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, also visit fullbroadindustries.com if you want to see if there's any merchandise to help support the channel. And I will see you next week. Just go create something. I hope these videos give you some sort of inspiration, even if it doesn't work. Heck, try it. See you later.